So, good morning students. Welcome to today's lecture. Class 6, we are going to start our topic of lesson 12. Previously, we had done the structure of electric cell. Right? We had done electric cell. What I told you, it is also known as dry cell. What is there inside it? We had done how it is made. It has carbon rod, it has positive terminal, it has negative terminal. It is placed inside the zinc container. This we had done. Right? Now students, today we will be doing the working of electric cell. How it works. Working of electric cell. You can note it down because their working is not properly mentioned in your NCERT. I will be taking your questions in the end of the lecture. 10 minutes before the class over, I will be taking your questions. So please lower your hand. Samrat, thank you so much. Lower your hand. Let us start with the working. How the electric cell works. What happens in case of electric cell is chemical energy is present. What is present? Chemical energy. In case of electric cell, this chemical energy, it gets converted into electrical energy. What happens is chemical energy which is stored in the cell. This chemical energy is stored in the cell. है ना? This gets converted into electric energy. Right? What happens is, you can note down, when a button is switched on, whenever a button is of any device, say you have put the electric cell in a torch, when you switch on the button, what is present in the electric cell? क्या होता है present उसमें? Electrolyte. What is present? Electrolyte. Electrolyte is present. In the case of dry cell, electrolyte is ammonium chloride paste. We had done electrolyte is ammonium chloride paste. The chemical reaction, it starts in electrolyte. When switch is on, chemical reaction starts in electrolyte. What happens? The chemical reaction, it starts in electrolyte, and this chemical reaction, it generates electric current. It generates electric current. Right? This chemical reaction, it generates electric current. As a result, when electric current is generated, the bulb lighten up. Bulb lighten up. Right? There is no more detail in your syllabus. Only this much working you have to do. What is happening? The chemical energy is stored in an electric cell. It gets converted into electric energy. This is the principle or law on which the electric cell it works. What is the principle? The chemical energy which is stored in cell, it gets converted into electric energy. Right? Now electrolyte is present. That is ammonium chloride. This we had already done in the construction. Ammonium chloride paste करा था ना हमने. That is known as electrolyte. what happens is chemical reaction, it starts in the electrolyte. This chemical reaction, it generates electric current. On generation of electric current, the bulb lighten up. Now, what happens if whole of the electrolyte is used? What happens if whole of the electrolyte is used up? I am telling you, in electric cell, electrolyte is present, which is helping in generating the electricity. If this electrolyte is used up, then what will happen? The whole of the electrolyte is finished, then there will be no chemical reaction, then the cell is considered to be dead. What do we call that cell? Dead cell. You know this term. I guess you all are familiar. What is dead cell? The cell in which chemical reaction is not taking place. Means electrolyte is used up. No more chemical reaction is taking place. Clear? I hope the working of the electric cell is clear to all. Now beta, what type of electric cells are found? I told you on that day, in so many things electric cells are used, right? In your torches, in your toys, in your remotes, TV remotes, AC remotes, but all cells are not of same size and shape. There are different types of cells. Button cells are there, pencil cells are there, even solar cells are there. They don't need this electricity. They are charged through sunlight, right? There are different types of electric cells. Now let us move to the next topic. Our next topic we are going to do is flow of current. Our topic is flow of current. What is the flow of current? How does the current flows? On that day I told you there are two terminals always present on the cell. Positive terminal and negative terminal. How many terminals are there? Two, positive terminal and negative terminal, right? And the current, it always flows from positive to negative. This is the conventional flow of current. Current will always flow from positive to negative. From positive terminal to negative terminal. This is known as conventional flow of current. Current always flow from positive terminal to negative terminal. Now students, I told you, you might be remembering this, the structure of cell, है ना? This we had done. This is positive terminal, this is negative terminal, right? Now, this is the one cell. If two or more cells are joined end to end, if two or more cells are joined end to end, they will become a battery. What do you call it? Battery. Sanchit, I will be taking your questions in the end. Please cooperate. If more than two cells are joined end to end, they are called as battery. Right? Then students, what will happen? Please listen to my question carefully. Suppose this is my cell This is positive terminal, this is negative terminal. What will happen if I join the wires through a cell? I have joined a wire to a cell. I have not placed any object, any lightning object. I have not placed. Okay? There is no switch, nothing. What will happen? If I join the two terminals of the cell with a wire, current will flow, undoubtedly. Bulb is not joined. Look, I have kept the bulb at side, or let me raise it. Look, I have erased the bulb. Now only the wire is there, right? The wire is joined to the two terminals. What will happen? The current will flow, but chemical energy which is present in the cell, it will immediately used up, and it will be immediately used up in the form of heat, right? And the cell will become dead. Chemical energy will be used up immediately in the form of heat, right? And the cell will become dead. So it is necessary to always connect it through a object, lightning device. Say this is bulb. I have placed the bulb in between. Now when we connect it to the bulb, the two terminals, it will glow. Clear? My point of explaining you this is that what will happen if two terminals are joined together with a wire with no object in between, then what will happen? The chemical energy present in the cell, it will be used up immediately and it will be lost in the form of heat, right? And it will become useless. Is that clear to you? Now, coming to the next topic. Our next topic is that we are going to do is electric circuit. You can draw the diagram side by side. Electric circuit. A little bit of this we had touched in our previous lecture also. What is electric circuit? What is the meaning of electric circuit? It is the path followed by electric current. It is the path by which the electric current moves. That is known as electric circuit, right? Now students, let me tell you what electric circuit is or how you can draw the electric circuit. You can take this board. Before telling you this, let me tell you, electric circuit can be of two types. Open circuit, closed circuit. Open circuit and closed circuit. Now what is the meaning of this? Open circuit and closed circuit. Open circuit is a circuit in which the flow of electric current is broken, right? In which the current is not completely following the path. In a simple words, in which there is break in the electric circuit, right? And closed circuit is the circuit in which there is no break, in which there is proper flow of electric current. Let me show you closed circuit or electric circuit. If you are told to make it, how to make? This is a simple board which you are taking. Now what you have to do, you have to simply, this is a bulb, right? A simple bulb I am keeping here. These are the two switches. From here, what will happen? You will keep a cell here or battery. One is positive terminal, one is negative terminal, right? Now what you have to do? You have to connect a wire. This is a wire. Here current is flowing. It is getting completed, right? This circuit is closed circuit, or you can say simply electric circuit. What do we call it? Electric circuit or closed circuit, in which there is no break. The current is flowing, right? And what is open circuit? Suppose this is not connected. This wire is not connected. So what it will become? It is now open circuit. Now the current is not flowing. The path that was to be followed by the current is not complete now. There is a breakage. It is known as open circuit. Clear? What do we call it? Open circuit. Is that clear to all? I think you should draw this immediately so that we can move further. Bache, I am telling you, please lower your hand because that symbol is coming and there will be a problem. Please, I will be taking the question after completing one more small topic. Please lower your hand. Thank you. Thank you, Sanchit. Sanchit, please lower your hand. Thank you so much, beta. Hurry up. Draw it immediately so that we can start with another topic. Very small topic we are going to start with. Tomorrow we will be doing the structure of bulb. So you should be ready with your pencils and all. I guess everybody has done this. Now coming to the next topic. Bache, this is very important plus very easy. Sometimes in exams, these type of figure, reference to figure type of questions come and you people are unable to attempt. Please see what I want to tell you. Here we are going to check the proper arrangement. Proper arrangement of cell and bulb. When the bulb will glow, right? I will be drawing different arrangements and then we have to tell whether this is proper or not, whether the bulb will glow or not. In exam, this question comes in different form, right? For example, first I am drawing this cell, right? Now the wire is coming and it is connected to a bulb here like this. Will the bulb glow? Is this arrangement correct? Yes. When we have to show the bulb is glowing, we do like this. Bulb will glow. I am writing yes. This is the right arrangement. because the bulb has glowed. Number 2. My next arrangement is, this is the cell, positive and negative terminal. Now again, this is the bulb. Will the bulb glow now? No, because there is a break in the circuit. Number 3, let us do one more arrangement. In next arrangement, chalo, from the positive terminal, I am going to connect it. Right? This is the bulb from the positive terminal. In the previous one, the wire was not connected from this side. Now I have connected. Will the bulb glow? Again there is a break in the circuit. Right? It should be connected here. It will not glow. Right? In the next arrangement, what I am doing is, this is a cell. Here is a positive terminal, negative terminal, and here is a bulb. Chalo ji. Now I am doing 2 wires. This is one. In bulb also there is one positive terminal, one negative terminal. Right? So here I have connected both the terminals of the bulb with the positive terminal of the cell. Will the bulb glow? No. It will not glow. Manik, I will be taking your question in the end, beta. Let me finish this topic. Then I will be taking your question, please. Please lower your hand, Manik. Thank you. Next. What will be the next arrangement? Next arrangement is, you are saying the bulb will not glow because the wire is not connected to the negative terminal of the cell. The circuit is not getting completed. In this case, chalo, what we are going to do? Now we are connecting the bulb with the negative terminal. Will the bulb glow now? No. Now positive terminal is not connected. Now the positive terminal is not connected. Let me show you this arrangement. This is the last arrangement which I want to show. Okay, this and this. Will this be connected now? Will the bulb glow? Yes. All the terminals are connected. Undoubtedly, मैंने ये reverse कर दी है, right? But still, the circuit is going to be completed and the bulb will glow. These are different types of electric arrangements which are generally asked in exams. Figure is given to you and you have been told to tell whether the bulb will glow, whether the circuit is complete or not. These are different type of questions that are generally asked in exam. Right? If you want to do, it is very much mentioned in your NCERT. Different arrangements. Right? Now, this was all about today's topic. Right? Now I am going to take your questions. Please lower your hand. Now I am going to take your questions.